So a couple of weeks ago, my school came over to me and said, "Hey yo, you need to do a school project." And I was like, okay, cool. So what you gonna do? And I said, game. So I shared with my little bro that I was making a game. He was like, wow. And then he said, do a game about pandas. And I was like, pandemic. Oh god, what a bad pun. Anyway, the idea is that there are pandas invading the city and you have to go to a shelter as fast as possible. So I started by opening Blender, deleting the basic block, making it again, then removing it again, making a sphere, and that sphere became my character. Guys and girls, I want you to meet Gary. I set up some basic animations for Gary, then I started a new Blender file, duplicated the basic block a few times, and boom! A new house. I did the same for the other houses, and for the room I deleted some parts of the house and it just magically looked like a room. I made some pandas. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. Then added the clouds, then some animations, if that's what you want to call this. And that was all for the props. Oh yeah, I also made a random wall and a dock I never used. Yeah. Now for Unreal, I just took a pre-made project from Epic and deleted everything. Then I imported my room, imported my character, added the control and animation thingies, and I have officially finished my first It doesn't work. So apparently this room is a box according to Unreal. So I set up a simple box collision and now it works. Okay, so how do I get from the first level to the next one? Done. I made another level, called it level 1, because logics. I started pasting in my buildings and before I knew it I had a full level. Now I just add a panda cloud, make it move and add a simple box collision that respawns you but doesn't end the level, so if you take too long the level just bugs out and you have to restart the whole game. Then add some and ooh, smoky. And done. Last level is really rushed because I had some time related issues. But in short, I added some buildings, a moving platform that is surprisingly hard to jump on, a platform that only works if you jump on it, and the end. Oh, and of course, some background music. And now, for the final product, I present to you Pandemic. Full download in the description, by the way, if you want to play it, you know.
Good day everyone and welcome to an emergency news update. Due to the urgency of this situation and the lack of personnel, we had to animate this video. The message will remain the same. For the past 2 hours, a horde of wild pandas has been running loose. They are quite aggressive and will literally cuddle you to death. The government has declared an international threat level and advises everyone to go hide in the Doom shelter.